So here is a Yamaha 2013 SHO Cruiser. I picked this thing up and it's really interesting because it's pretty much set up for fishing. Let me do a little overview. What I'm going to be doing is a tune-up on it. I'm going to be putting a new oil filter and spark plugs in here. This machine has only 29 hours on it. It's in very good condition. Let's start from the back. So this is, well, it's a cooler, but it could be used as a cooler or you could use it as a live well. There's a pump on the side. This is a rack that the guy bought, the guy who I purchased this from. You have 6 rod holders in the back, Bluetooth radio, anchor with rope and chain. It is a 3-seater. This is the supercharged model, has a touchscreen GPS and fish finder on here. Let's see, should be able to turn it right on, which is pretty nice and it's pretty handy. If you're wondering where the transducer is, it's all the way in the back, right here. Looks like we have 2 rod holders up here. Storage in the front. And that's pretty much it. It's just a really nice setup. It's in really good condition and it came with a galvanized trailer. So I just pulled out the first spark plug. I'm gonna be doing it one at a time. Here's the old one and I have the new one here. And if you're replacing your spark plugs, make sure you put this anti-seize on. And also, if you have this boot protector, put that on top of the spark plug, and this goes on the threads on the spark plug. And this right here, this is the anti-seize. So next time you pull these plugs out, they come right out. And the first spark plug is done. So I'm completely done changing the spark plugs. What I'm going to do now is complete the oil change. I'm going to let this ski warm up for a little bit. So let's do that. So I went to Harbor Freight and I bought this cheap siphon pump to take oil out. It's mechanical. You just go up and down with this lever. And basically it's a cheap way to get your oil out. It will take a lot longer rather than having an electric pump, but this is only $6, so I'm just gonna do it that way. So now I'm removing the oil filter. I already got my wrench, it's already loose. I just have to remove it, have some rags down there. Make sure you have some rags down there because oil will drip. So you could clean that up really easy. Have my new Yamaha oil filter. And just gotta get this one out. Now I'm installing my new oil filter. And basically you just want to put this hand tight. You don't have to really crank this down with a wrench. So right now I'm ready to pour the oil. I put a little bottle jack in the front and it's basically even right now. That's what you want. You want the engine to be leveled. So right now I'm going to be getting my funnel here and pouring my Yamalube in here. So it just filled up the oil. I'm letting the ski run for a little bit and then I'm going to shut it off and see where the level's at, and then I just want to make sure that it's at the fill mark. So I just finished servicing the ski. I'm going to put it in the water tomorrow and just going to put around with it and gonna have a little fun. So I'll take you guys with me. So here's the ski, finally got it on the water. Running great, no problems. Here I'm gonna do a little overview of it on the water. I brought my pole with me. I'm using the anchor that was with the ski. Have some shrimp in here. They're all alive. It's a little nice cooler. You can use it as a live well or a cooler, whichever you want. Also a Bluetooth MP3 player up there, speaker. This is a 3-seater FX SHO Cruiser. Got my GPS on here. Fish finder too. And yeah, just a great running ski. Gonna take it for a little spin here, and we're gonna head to Fort DeSoto. Get her in neutral. You guys, I haven't heard her run yet. All right, got that going up there and ready to go. So we went from Edmond Key to this island, which is called Passage Key, and right behind there, that's Anna Maria. The water is like crystal clear. It's really nice. It's like 4 feet deep here, and we're gonna put the anchor in, go up a little bit closer to the island, and go for a little swimming. So I got the jet ski already anchored. I'm gonna put fresh water for the shrimps. It's only like 3 feet in here. It's really nice. Oh, look at all these seagulls. They're fighting over something. Uh-oh, there he goes. So we're leaving this island. Gonna head over to Edmont over there. It's just like a 5-minute ride. And I'm gonna park over there and gonna swim and do a little fishing. Alright, so we're stopping here because apparently there's a lot of fish under us. And I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna put a shrimp on here. See what's under there. Got it. Is that a shark? What is that? Oh, it's a mackerel. Nice. Wow, it's not bad. Wow, look at that. It's a nice one. There he goes. So we're gonna move a little bit because we drifted, and whatever we were under, there was a bunch of stuff that was hitting on the fish finder. So we're gonna move up a little bit and see what we can get. So we got some stuff coming up on the fish finder. So I'm having a problem because I had something really big hit my line and snapped everything, and I didn't bring any weights, and I don't have no leader line, and all I have is this braid. I put another hook on there, threw it back in there, something big again hit it, and it snapped again. So I don't know what it is, but I mean, it's something really big. I'm gonna try this again. I have the big shrimp on. Hopefully my line survives. I think it's like 50-pound braid. But I mean, what is it? Broke it! It has to be a mackerel. I broke it again. Another mackerel? Yeah, it is a mackerel. There's a lot of mackerel out here. Give me the pliers. Come on. There he is. Look at that. Nice. These are nice mackerels. Got you. So we got here. It's really beautiful out here. It's actually our first time being here. I passed this island a few times, but I never actually came here. Lots and lots of palm trees here. Nothing but palm trees. we're finally heading home. And gotta put the ski up. It's getting dark. Back at John's Pass. Sun's going down. It's really pretty out. Wish I could stay out here longer, but have to go in. I know. We made it back to the dock. So here's the ski. We put her up. She runs great. I really love this thing. We caught fish on it, and I mean, I couldn't be any happier. Let me know what you guys think about the ski, and maybe I'll make some future videos of this. Appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned for more videos.